So a quick video on Armageddon line. The 1 of 1 of 4 of 5 of 6 of 0 means there's a one-dimensional line going around the 1 by 5 where the beginning value is a 1. 1 of 1 of 4 of 5 of 6 of 0. Now there's another sequence, 1 of 1 of 7 of 13 of 110 of 2143, which is like pretty important in 5-dimensional Earth. It's literally the line that goes from here, 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 here. Okay, it's the 1 by 5. You understand how you see 6 things because this counts for the circle that goes around it. Now, if you look at the actual, remember we're talking about the nothing and the infinite that goes around the whole thing. We're making a new 5 by 5 in the middle, okay? The 5 by 5 is symbolic of the 5 by 5 of time that encases the G. You know, or it's the 5 by 5 that encases the OD, but it doesn't really encase the OD. It goes down below these two little guys. Okay, so never you mind that. I don't want to talk about that, but I want to talk about the right-handed guy. So if you write out the the 5 middle rows, okay? This is what you got, okay? It's kind of interesting that you're 1 of 1 of 7, okay? Like if you circle these, there's your 7. You know, 4, 5, 6, 7. 13, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? And then you got your 110, which is like you're making a 2 by 2 and a 3 by 2, and you're making a 0 and a 1 and a 1. There's your 110. And you got 2 1s. You're left over with 4 cells, and when you circle them with a 2 by 2, you'll have 3 new donuts. 3-dimensional Earth with duality. This mathematically probably signifies that. Okay. 3-dimensional spatial coordinates of duality. Anyways, so it's also interesting that it begins with a 14, which is literally 2 1 of 7s. Like, 2 7s is 14. Pretty obvious. And then, again, your 2 7s can be also represented by the 4 and the 5 together. 4 and 5 is 9, which is doubly circled 7, if you want to account for the nothing and the infinite. So, again, it's 2 1 of 7s. 2 circles around a 7 guy. Okay? Then your 5 and your 6 here, okay? That's your 11, but then you have to account for the previously used 14 and 4 5. But there are just 1s. Who cares about that shit? That's a different depth of the Madrigal set. So it's just an 11 plus a 1 plus a 1, which is a 13, which is 2 1 of 7 of 13s. 54 plus 56 is 110. No? 2 1s. You have 4 digits, really, but 3 are unique. 2143. So yeah, chaos, whatnot. Okay, I know, like maybe you guys couldn't follow when I talk, so It's just your 3 and your 8, and then you have 5 circles. And this is your 1, 15, 19, and that's your 16, 19, and that's your 35. And 35 is an 8. So there's your 38, 58 magnets, 4 different types required in a cellular energy device. Okay, to go around the 1, I guess, of chaos. Chaos theory, yeah. Chaos theory, I don't really understand what would be more chaos theory than, maybe it doesn't mean what you think it means, people. Maybe chaos theory is something different. Just maybe. Perhaps.